Hello, English Go-Getter. Today's listening quiz is all about professions. Now, let's go over the instructions. So you will listen to the sentences, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. So let's get started. Question 1. He teaches children. He's a teacher. He teaches children. He's a teacher. And the correct answer is letter B. He teaches children. He's a teacher. Question 2. She works in a hospital. She's a nurse. She works in a hospital. She's a nurse. And the correct answer is letter A. She works in a hospital. She's a nurse. Question 3. Sam drives a bus. He's a driver. Sam drives a bus. He's a driver. And the correct answer is letter C. Sam drives a bus. He's a driver. Question 4. Daniel makes bread. He's a baker. Daniel makes bread. He's a baker. And the correct answer is letter C. Daniel makes bread. He's a baker. Question 5. He cooks food. He's a chef. He cooks food. He's a chef. And the correct answer is letter A. He cooks food. He's a chef. Question 6. Sarah helps animals. She's a vet. Sarah helps animals. She's a vet. And the correct answer is letter B. Sarah helps animals. She's a vet. Question 7. Joe flies a plane. He's a pilot. Joe flies a plane. He's a pilot. And the correct answer is letter A. Joe flies a plane. He's a pilot. Question 8. He fixes lights. He's an electrician. He fixes lights. He's an electrician. And the correct answer is letter B. He fixes lights. He's an electrician. Question 9. Adam sings songs. He's a singer. Adam sings songs. He's a singer. And the correct answer is letter C. Adam sings songs. He's a singer. Question 10. Linda writes books. She's a writer. Linda writes books. She's a writer. And the correct answer is letter B. Linda writes books. She's a writer. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway there. Keep going. You're doing great.
Sí.
Question 11. Tony works at a dental clinic. He's a dentist. Tony works at the dental clinic. He's a dentist. And the correct answer is letter A. Tony works at the dental clinic. He's a dentist. Question 12. Janet helps people in court. She's a lawyer. Janet helps people in court. She's a lawyer. And the correct answer is letter C. Janet helps people in court. She's a lawyer. And 13. John helps sick people. He's a doctor. John helps sick people. He's a doctor. And the correct answer is letter B. John helps sick people. He's a doctor. Question 14. Eric grows food. He's a farmer. Eric grows food. He's a farmer. And the correct answer is letter B. Eric grows food. He's a farmer. Question 15. She serves food. She's a waitress. She serves food. She's a waitress. And the correct answer is letter A. She serves food. She's a waitress. Question 16. Kate plays in movies. She's an actress. Kate plays in movies. She's an actress. And the correct answer is letter C. Kate plays in movies. She's an actress. Question 17. Jane keeps a safe. She's a police officer. Jane keeps the safe. She's a police officer. And the correct answer is letter A. Jane keeps a safe. She's a police officer. Question 18. Jake works at the fire station. He's a firefighter. Jake works at the fire station. He's a firefighter. And the correct answer is letter B. Jake works at the fire station. He's a firefighter. Question 19. Jordan and Sarah design houses. They are architects. Jordan and Sarah design houses. They are architects. And the correct answer is letter A. Jordan and Sarah design houses. They are architects. Question 20. Denise works at a bank. She's a banker. Denise works at a bank. She's a banker. And the correct answer is letter B. Denise works at a bank. She's a banker. You did it, English Go Getter. You finished the quiz. Time to celebrate. Yeah. And how did you do, English Go Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video, English Go Getter.